Do you hate the headphones with wires? Well, me too. Wires no more. Introducing Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earbuds. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. So this is Xiaomi's Mi True Wireless Earbuds. It has a smart touch, charging case, and a Bluetooth 5.0. And on the back, we can see it has 4 hours of playback time. It takes 1.5 hours to charge it. Let's dig into the box. Seems to be a little bit sloppily packed. We have a USB cable, 2.0, so really old technology. This is the extra earpieces, I think. Yep. So they have 3 different sizes. The charging case. I don't know why, but this seems to be a little bit sloppily packed. Like even this wrapper is like all wrinkled up. Let's see what else they have. The box is empty. And just the guide here. Ooh, that's a thick guide for earphones. Guess they have many different languages. It's from Arabic, Korean, Russian, and yeah, Swedish here as well. So yeah, it's international. No language is discriminated here. But let's see the main thing here. Ooh. This is message to all of my viewers. I love you and will you marry me? So this is the earpiece. Let's see. Okay, looks good. Nice. Let's take a closer look. It has a magnet here, so when you take out the headphone and put it back in, it like snaps there properly. You hear that? It's not falling because it's magnetic. And I think it's same with the case. It closes with the magnet. So that's really cool. It doesn't accidentally open if you shake it. Let's see how they fit into the ears. So first time trying to put them on. Let's try it. Ooh, it's better than I expected. They're fitting really well. Like I thought they would fall out, but it's super tightly inside. Look, I can shake my head. I can do the heavy metal flopsing. Yeah, it's not falling down. Nice. This is much better than I expected. But let's try to put the music on. So the first thing to do is to put this on. I don't know how to put this on, hold on. I think I need to see the manual. Press for 1 second, it says. I can't seem to get them on. I think I need to charge them first. So let's put them back into the case and wait for a while. Okay, I charged them for a while now. Let's see if they turn on. Ooh. I can see they have light on now when I put them in this charging case. So let's try to take them out now. Nice, they're blinking. I can hear music. Nice, nice. Let's put them on. Let's put them on. Let's check the Bluetooth and scan for new devices. Mi True Wireless Headphones. Pairing. Couldn't connect. Why? I think I need to charge them more. Hold on. Okay, the moment of truth now. Let's see if they work. I hear the noise again. Let's try to connect. Pairing. Oh, pairing request. Okay. It's working. Connecting. Okay. I got it ready. Let's put this on. Connected for calls and audio. 20% battery remaining. Okay. Let's see how the music quality is. What song should we play? What song should we play? I think there's only one song we have to play. It's working. Yeah. The music quality is great and the fitting is great. It's not falling from my ear. I was doing the dance, it's still staying inside. This earphone is good. Let's try some other songs. Sorry, I got excited. Let's try these controls. So I press one time, it stops. I press again, it starts. Stop. Start. 2 times. 2 times is going to the voice service. That I don't like at all. I think I have to change it to the next song. 3 times, nothing happens. What about swipe? No, it's not working. What about this other ear? Yeah, it's continuing the song. Yeah, it's going to this voice service. How can I change this? I can't seem to find any way how to make the double tap into the next song. So that's a minor flaw. But yeah, let's wrap up this video. So Xiaomi True Wireless Earphones. Really pleasantly surprised about the sound quality. But most of all, how they fit into your ear. They're not like shaking, they're not moving around. They're fitting perfectly to my ears, and you saw me doing dance, they didn't fall down. And for the price, this was like 20 euros. Some AirPods cost like 100 euros. Apple, Samsung Buds cost like 160 euros. And this is 20 euros, it's like 10% of the price. So I have to give it a really good rating, okay? I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. The only minus is coming from the ability to skip to the next song. Instead, when you double tap it, it's going to the voice service. I don't like the voice service. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, and if you need wireless headphones, get these ones. Xiaomi True Wireless. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like this review. And I will see you guys in the future. Goodbye. Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earbuds. 9 out of 10.